We saw the exact same marks in Matthew's bedroom. So you can find anything from home between bedrooms. Right, when I snooped, both Matthew and Anton's time traveled to Galicia, Spain, with the same week 4 months ago.
That mean anything?
No. There's a church there, Santiago de Compostela. It's visited by over 100,000 religious pilgrims every year.
Did his parents seem to get the documentary?
No, the opposite, actually. His mom studied his yeah. What? Matthew had a thing about church. He could push it. When we were in high school, his mom and dad wrestled him a priest because they were afraid he was possessed.
But I think in this case she was talking about drugs. Are you sure?